Hi, I'm John White. I'm going to show you how you install Spooky2. You just double click on the installation file, choose the language. A previous copy has been found on the hard drive. It's asking to overwrite. I'll select yes. Next, I accept the license agreement. Default directory for installation, and next, and next, and then we normally select yes to restart the system. In this case I won't, because I want to save this video, and that's all there is to it. Now when you select Start, go to Programs, Spooky2, I don't have any generators connected at the moment, so I'll just select the USB ports, finish scanning. It will start up in the test mode, in which case there will be lots of channels being indicated. Test mode, yes. All of these channels here are only for emulation, they're not real channels at all. And we've got lovely Spooky up and running. Thank you for watching this video.